Hello guys, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to secure WordPress website. If you own a website, if you own a blog, then you should definitely watch this video. Now, the first tip I have for you is don't install outdated themes or plugins, okay? If you are about to install a plugin and that plugin is not updated to the latest version, please don't install it. And if you check the last time the plugin was updated and it has been years, please don't install that plugin. It means they are no longer offering support and you don't want that, okay? You don't want that because of the major reasons why a lot of small businesses and blogs are being attacked is because the plugins they are making use of is so vulnerable. Okay, it's so vulnerable. So please always make sure that anything you are making use of or any plugins you are using on your WordPress site or blog is updated. Please always make sure of that your plugin or your theme is always updated. The next tip I have for you is please use anti-spam plugin. This is really important. Use anti-spam plugin. Use anti-spam plugin. Anti-spam plugin can hurt your website in different ways. It can lead to a brute force attack. It can lead to phishing and it can lead to SQL injections attack. So please, it's very important you make use of an anti-spam plugin. A very wonderful anti-spam plugin you can make use of is Titan. I make use of it on my website, so it's been serving me for months now and is extremely effective. So you can use that plugin, Titan anti-spam plugin. That's what it's called. The third tip I have for you is always monitor your site. Always monitor your site. If there is an unauthorized access, there should be an alert straight to your inbox. Okay, if you have an unauthorized access, if there's an unauthorized login to your WordPress dashboard, a notification should be sent to you inside your inbox. Okay, that's really important. There's a plugin you can use to achieve that, and it's called Sukuri. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. As you can see on the screen right here, the name of the plugin is called Sukuri, so you can Google it and download the plugin. The next tip I have for you is use Google Search Console. Use Google Search Console. Even though Google Search Console helps track our search ranking, it also keeps our site updated with indexing issues, site errors, and security issues. So if your website has been hacked or you have something that needs to be addressed concerning security, Google Search Console is going to alert you. So that's a very useful tool. I use it on my website also. Another tip I have for you is avoid the use of too many WordPress plugins, okay? We all know how very useful plugins are in WordPress. But you should be very careful when installing any plugin because there are some plugins that haven't been updated for a very long period of time, and you will go ahead and install that plugin on your WordPress website. You're putting your website at risk. So please avoid the use of too many plugins. If that function you're trying to accomplish, if it's not important enough, don't use a plugin for it. It is that simple. Don't use a plugin for it. So please, I will advise you to avoid using too many plugins on your WordPress website. This is very important. Another tip and the final tip I have for you is don't avoid public system. Don't log in your WordPress dashboard using public system. This is obvious now. This is very obvious, but some people I don't know, some people still can't adhere to this simple rule. Don't log in your WordPress dashboard using public system. Yeah, I know a lot of people who does this. They will go to the nearby cyber cafe and try to log in their WordPress dashboard. Please don't do that, okay? Those systems, they are exposed, they are not safe. So please avoid using public system to log in into your WordPress dashboard, okay? And this is it, guys. These are the 6 WordPress tips to secure your WordPress website. Okay? If you like this video, please give a like and smash that subscribe button. See you soon. Thank you.